Welcome to Timique Skin Glow channel. It's good to have you again. So in this DIY skincare tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a nourishing stretch mark butter at home using simple natural ingredients. Okay, and for this DIY, we'll be making use of mango butter. This is my mango butter. I'll be making use of mango butter, argan oil. This is my argan oil. Okay, I'll be making use of this. I'll be making use of collagen oil as well. This is my collagen oil, and of course castor oil. This is my castor oil. I'll be making use of this. And lastly, this is my aloe vera gel. I'll be making use of this aloe vera gel. So don't forget, you can register for our skincare class if you want to learn how to formulate very effective natural skincare product from scratch. Register for our natural skincare formulation class. We also have ebooks on natural skincare formulation. We have ebook on pro mixing. Pro mixing means professional mixing. In that category, you buy already made product, you buy your base cream, you buy your serum, you buy everything, and then you mix it to achieve whatever skin goal you want or whatever skin treatment you want to treat. We have whitening base cream ebook as well. In the ebook, we have 5 types of effective whitening base cream, and the base cream is for both facial and body product. Also, we have ebooks on recommended serums and oil to use for pro mixing your lotion, your face cream, and your soap. Okay, if you are interested, send me a WhatsApp message via the number on the screen. Our products are also available for immediate delivery, and we deliver worldwide. Don't forget to follow Timique Skin Glow on any of our platforms. We are on Instagram, on Facebook, Thread, and TikTok at Timique Skin Glow. Yes, so now let's explore the benefit of these ingredients for treating stretch mark. Mango butter here. Now, if you don't have mango butter, you can make use of shea butter or cocoa butter, okay, or avocado butter, any butter of your choice. But I'll be making use of mango butter because for light skin, if you are concerned about getting dark by using shea butter, then mango butter is your best option. Okay, so this is the mango butter. What is the benefit? What is the skin benefit of mango butter? Now, mango butter helps protect the skin against harsh effects of environmental elements. Okay, it effectively reduces the formation and appearance of wrinkle on the skin, and it helps to repair damaged skin as well. Mango butter has moisturizing effect, okay, and this helps for skin hydration, and it helps to repair dry skin. Argan oil, what the skin benefit? Why am I making, why did I select this oil? This oil was specially selected for treating this, for making it our stretch mark butter. Now the skin benefit of argan oil is that it contains a large amount of healing properties, which include antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It has anti-inflammatory properties, of course, which helps to treat a number of skin conditions. It helps to heal skin infection, treat acne, and moisturizes the skin. Argan oil has skin repair and skin moisturizing properties. Okay, it also protects the skin from sun damage. Collagen oil, you know what collagen is already. Collagen. This is our collagen oil. Now, collagen oil helps to promote the formation of collagen. It helps to promote collagen production. It improves wound healing time. It reduces wrinkle. It improves skin firmness. Okay, so it has improvement of skin. So many nice skin properties that help for skin firming, skin repair, and also for hydration. Okay, it helps to fade stretch mark as well. Collagen is very good when you're making your stretch mark cream, stretch mark oil, stretch mark body butter. Make sure you include your collagen oil. And for castor oil, This is my castor oil. It contains antioxidant that fights free radical in your body, okay? And it also has antibacterial property to help fight acne, and also it has moisturizing effect. Castor oil promotes overall skin health. Castor oil is good for both hair care and body care products. And this is my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera 99% soothing gel. Now, aloe vera has antioxidant and antibacterial properties, okay, to help promote overall skin health. It decreases appearance of fine line, wrinkle, etc. Okay, it supports collagen production. It has soothing and healing properties. So this is my aloe vera gel. If you don't have this one, if you have raw aloe vera plant and fresh aloe vera plant, you can extract your aloe vera gel and make use of that one. So let's go straight to this. So here I have 200 gram of mango butter. This is 200 gram of mango butter. I'll be making use of 15 ml of my argan oil. So it's very simple. You just pour it there. This is argan oil, 15 ml. My castor oil, making use of 50 ml as well. Now this will help to treat your stretch mark, heal your skin, improve your skin firmness, skin elasticity. Okay, this butter can be used all over the body for skin repair. If you have thin skin, you can use this butter as well because of the collagen and the mango butter. It helps to firm and repair your skin. This is my collagen oil, 50 ml, and my aloe vera gel. I'm going to add 50 ml of my aloe vera gel. But first, I'm just going to mix everything together. Now you can use double boiler method to dissolve this. But if you want to use the double boiler method, first of all, melt the butter on its own. Don't introduce heat to your castor oil, collagen oil, and argan oil to reduce the strength of it. So you melt only, if you are doing double boiler method, melt only the mango butter, okay? And when it's well melted, you can now bring it down and then allow it to cool a bit before you add your argan oil, your um, collagen oil, and castor oil. But I don't want to do the double boiler method, so this is it. I'm going to use my electronic mixer to mix it very well. This is very easy to make. The ingredients are very easy to get, and the process of making it is not tedious, it's not difficult. This is something you can do at home. So I'm going to add my aloe vera gel before I mix. Just need 50 ml of my aloe vera gel. Oh, so this is my aloe vera gel. So that's my aloe vera gel. You can see it's it's 51, but what I okay is 50, so that's perfect. Just going to bring it out. Yes, I'm also going to add my vitamin E oil. Let me get it at once. So I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. If you don't have vitamin E oil, it's okay. You can just add the other ingredients. So this is my vitamin E oil now. I'm going to add this. So that's my vitamin E oil. Now, if you have lavender essential oil or rosemary essential oil, you can add it for just extra uh, scent. So instead of using perfume in your product, it's better to use essential oils. Essential oils come in different fragrances, so you can use any one preferred fragrance of your choice. Okay, you just have to add few drops. So this is the stretch mark body butter. You can see the stretch mark butter is not difficult to make at all. You just have to follow this measurement. If you want more quantity, you can double the measurement. If you want to make a smaller quantity, you can divide the measurement. Like I use 100 gram of, I use 200 gram of mango butter. If you want smaller quantity, you can use 100 gram. For the oil, I use 50 ml. So if you want smaller quantity, you use 25. And for the vitamin E oil, I use 20 ml. So if you want a smaller quantity, you use 10. If you want more, you multiply it. So what is the benefit of this stretch mark butter? One is hydration. It gives hydration, it nourishes the skin, and it has soothing effect. So for hydration, we use mango butter here. We use our mango butter, argan oil, collagen oil, castor oil, and the aloe vera gel, okay, are rich in moisturizing properties to deeply hydrate the skin and improve skin elasticity. So what you need for your stretch mark is to tighten that area, make it firm again. Okay, that's why you need this, especially the collagen. You can see how smooth and very nice it's looking. So for it also has nourish. It also helps to nourish the skin. Our vitamin E oil and collagen oil helps nourish and repair damaged skin cell, promoting skin healing and of course fading stretch mark over time. Now you can understand why these ingredients were specially selected for this recipe. This butter also has soothing effect. Aloe vera gel has a calming properties. Okay, aloe vera gel has calming properties that can soothe irritated skin and reduce inflammation, making it an excellent addition to this butter. So how do you use this butter? How do you apply it? Only when you are treating your stretch mark, what you have to do is focus on the affected area. You have to stop any product you are using that's probably causing the stretch mark. Mind you, please note, stretch mark is not caused by skincare product alone. Stretch mark can be caused by pregnancy. When you're pregnant, there's every tendency for you to have stretch mark. When you start gaining weight, when you're adding weight, there's every tendency for you to have stretch mark. Stretch mark can also be caused by your skincare product, the kind of topical product you use. Some kind of soap can be too strong and it will give stretch marks. Some oils can cause it, as well as some cream and body lotion. So if you are treating your stretch mark, you have to apply this butter on only the affected area. This butter should be the cream you use on that affected area. You don't have to use your regular whitening or body lotion there again. You're taking a break and you're treating. So this is a treatment product. You apply it on only the affected area. Massage it very well in circular motions. Remember, consistency is key. Okay, result may take time, so be patient and persistent with your application. This butter should be stored in a clean container and of course in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality and effectiveness. I hope you find this video interesting. So say goodbye to Stretchmark with this nourishing DIY butter that is easy to make and packed with skin-loving ingredients. Okay, give your skin the care it deserves and embrace your natural beauty. I hope you find this video interesting. Okay, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Feel free to share your experience with me in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and of course click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how to identify. Here I have the original and the fake. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to identify the original and the fake of this product. So in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to identify the original and the fake of this here. I have one original and one fake. Also this one here, I have one original and I have one fake. So in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to identify the fake and the original. You don't want to mix that, right? So subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.